Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to English with Saddam. In today's lesson, we are going to learn what a sentence is and explore its four main types in a simple and practical way. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify each type of sentence and use it correctly in your speaking and writing. So let's get started. Before we learn the different type of sentences, let's first understand what a sentence actually is. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. For example, Ali plays football. When you hear this sentence, you immediately understand the complete idea. We know who the person is and what is he doing. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with the correct punctuation mark, such as a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. These are the basic rules of every correct sentence. Now that we know what a sentence is, let's learn the characteristics of a correct sentence. First, a sentence must express a complete thought. Second, the words must be in the correct order. Third, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Finally, every sentence ends with the correct punctuation mark. Look at this example. The children are playing in the park. The sentence has a subject, a verb, and a complete meaning. Remember this important point. Every sentence is a group of words, but not every group of words is a sentence. So far we have learned what a sentence is and its basic characteristics. Now let's learn the four main types of sentences. These are declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Don't worry if these names sound difficult. In the next few slides, we will study each one separately with easy examples. Let's begin with the first type of sentence, the declarative sentence. A declarative sentence gives information, like my name is Saddam, or it states a fact, like the sun rises in the east, or expresses an opinion, like I enjoy reading books. Please open the window. This is a polite request. Turn off the lights. This is a command. Work hard. This is an advice. Don't make noise. This is a negative command. One important thing to remember is that The subject you is usually not written in an imperative sentence. It is understood. For example, when I say open the door, I actually mean you open the door. The fourth and final type of sentence is the exclamatory sentence. We use an exclamatory sentence to express strong feelings or sudden emotions. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Look at these examples. What a beautiful flower. This expresses admiration. Wow, you did a great job. This expresses surprise and appreciation. Hooray, we won the match. This expresses joy. Alas, he lost his wallet. This expresses sadness. Whenever you see a sentence expressing strong emotion, it is usually an exclamatory sentence. Great job! Now it's your time to test yourself. Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct answer. Don't scroll to the comments until you have answered all 5 questions. Whenever you are done, write your answers in the comments. I'll check your answers, and if you score 5 out of 5, let me know. I'd love to congratulate you. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with the correct punctuation mark. We also learned the 4 main types of sentences, that is declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. The next time you read or hear a sentence, try to identify its type. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you now understand what a sentence is and can identify its 4 main types. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, subscribe to English with Saddam, and share it with your friends. Thank you.